Assalamualaikum guys, today I am in Nathia Kali. I will do unboxing of magnetic blocks and I am in Nathia Kali. Nathia Kali is very beautiful and the weather is very beautiful. So let's open the box. First let me show you the view. Let's open. See. Oopsie. Let me put the things back. Oopsie. Look at the box. It has 52 pieces and we can make a lot of things. Like these are some things given. I got it for 4,000 rupees from PWD. Mishu is here. Assalamualaikum. Let's open the pieces. These are squares, 4 squares. It's hard to open this one. Some yellow blocks, they are also in square shape. So let's check how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are also 4 pieces. These are red and these are yellow. So let's open the next one. Now let's open some blue blocks. 4 blue blocks. Now let's open some triangles. These are some big triangles. These are some farm walls. And these are some small triangles. And these are some octagons. You can use this for walls and windows. These are also octagons. And we can also use them in walls and windows. These are some orange blocks. I think my favorite are the orange blocks because their color is very good. So let's make something. We have also given some ideas. So let's check the ideas. I think I should try a dog. Let's try a dog. I want to try a dog. Mishu also wants to try a dog. So the first step for the dog is to take out this piece. I have cleaned the mess now. Now let's focus on our design. After that I need some... I don't have these pieces more. So what should I do? Make my own invention today. I'm really enjoying the weather over here. This is my favorite unboxing video because of the liquidation. Mishu, can I have 2 of these blocks, please? No, I want this more. Okay. Can I try some others? I want this block. That is our room where my father is sitting. This is my own invention, a plane. Red blocks, please. Thank you. I'm making pizza. I know I'm making pizza. I need some windows. These are really good toys. काफी देर बच्चे इनसे लगे रहते हैं. और मैं भी. And Mishu, let's try. Now we need some windows. Here's some windows. Let's take some. I want this. जैसे एक 30 पीस वाला था और 52 पीस वाला था, एक 100 वाला था. हमने 52 वाला बाय किया था. 52 pieces worth 4,000. Made a super chip. I'm getting cold. Bhaiya, I want one red piece. Mishu bhai needs one more.
This is so nice. I make a house. This is so nice.